good morning to our respected principal sir, hardworking teacher, and my all schoolmates. I am Archana, a student of class 9. Today I am presenting here for conducting our morning assembly with my classmates. So let's start our day by remembering the God by the prayer. I request to all of you, please join your hand, close your eyes, and put down your head. Begin. Down your hands, open your eyes. Play shows respect and love for our nation. Always become motivational thought. They make our day more energetic and boost up confidence level. So motivate us with the thought of the day. I would like to call Ragni for English thought and Akansha for Hindi thought.
Good morning, principal sir, teachers, and all my schoolmates. My name is Ragni Pal. I study in class 9. Today English thought. Never stop learning because life never stop teaching. Thank you. Have a nice day.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम आकांक्षा पाल है। मैं कक्षा 9वीं की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आप सभी के समक्ष हिंदी का सुविचार प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। मेरा सुविचार: सफल वही होते हैं जो दूसरों की बातों पर नहीं बल्कि खुद की मेहनत पर भरोसा रखते। धन्यवाद। आपका दिन मंगलमय हो। English thought and Akansha for Hindi thought. Facts: our world is treasured with amazements and unbelievable facts. So for amazing fact, here is Priyanshi.
Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers, and all my schoolmates. My name is Priyanshi Mishra from class 9. Today I am present here to tell some amazing facts. So my fact number 1, the national animal of spotted land is the unicorn. Fact number 2, Australia have over 10,000 beaches. You could visit a new beaches every day for over 27 years. Fact number 3, insects such as bees, mosquitoes make noise by rapidly moving their wings. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, honorable principal, sir, respected teachers, and all my dear schoolmates. I am Nana, behalf of class 9, present here to say some line on the topic of self-discipline. Self-discipline is the cornerstone of success. It's the ability to regulate your thoughts, emotions, and actions, even when faced with challenges or temptation. By cultivating self-discipline, you can achieve your goals and live a more purposeful life. Think of self-discipline as a muscle that need to be regular exercised. The more you practice self-control, the stronger it becomes. Start by getting clear goals and priorities, then create a plan to achieve them. Self-discipline is not begin about a perfect. It begins intentional with energy and resources and time. Let's control our lives, set clear goals and work toward achieving them. With self-discipline, we can achieve anything. We can set our mind to. Thank you. Have a nice day.
GK quiz. Liberty cannot be preserved without general knowledge. Now, I am here to ask some GK questions. My first question is is goes to for class first. Which letter come after W? I repeat my question. Which letter come after W? Question for all? The answer is X. Second, my second question is goes to class second. Which is the biggest star of our solar system? Yeah, right answer. My third question is goes to for class third. Who is the sport minister of India? I repeat my question. Who is the sport minister of India? Question for all?
Dr. Masood Mandavia.
Yeah, right answer. My fourth question is goes to for class 4. What is the full form of ISP? I repeat my question. What is the full form of ISP? Question for all?
Internet service provider.
Right answer. My fifth question is for 5th class. For which team does Virat Kohli play in IPL?
RCB.
Right answer. My sixth question is goes to for class 6. Who is the father of science? I repeat my question. Who is the father of science? Question for all? Right answer. My seventh question is goes to for class 7. Who is the father of modern physics? I repeat my question. Who is the father of modern physics? Question for all? Right answer. My eighth question is for class 8. What is the full form of ICC? I repeat my question. What is the full form of ICC? Question for all? Right answer. My ninth question is goes for class 9. What is the land mass of India in square kilometer?
3.28 million in square kilometers.
Right answer. My 10th question is goes for class 10. Who is the father of mathematics? What? Again? No. The answer is Archimedes. My 11th question is for class 11. Who is the Chief Justice of India? I repeat my question. Who is the Chief Justice of India? Question for all? The answer is Sanjeev Khanna. My 12th question is for class 12. Who is the father of chemistry? I repeat my question. Who is the father of chemistry? Begin. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam, Sufalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Shasya Shamalam, Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhra Joshanam, again.
Good morning, respected principal, sir, hardworking teachers, and all my dear schoolmates. I am Radhika from class 9, present here to tell history of the day. First, on 8 April 1950, India and Pakistan signed the Liaquat-Nehru Pact, also known as Delhi Pact, which aimed to resolve issues related to the existing state and unity between the two nations. Second, on 8 April 1936, France countered Germany's peace proposal. It with its own plan, which include the creation of international army, work towards the League of Nations. Thank you very much, today.
Children, how are you all? Are you all enjoying doing your schooling? Do you all enjoy? Okay. So I appreciate the 9th class children for presenting a beautiful assembly, and I appreciate the class teacher who worked behind for the success of this beautiful assembly. So I'm sure that day by day we are improving. And we have long road to travel. So work hard and always be a child of discipline, which would always continue to stay with you till you die. So self-discipline, making a timetable, coming to the school regular, doing your homework, reading books, doing physical exercise, having food on time, going to bed on time, getting up in the morning on time, all this word now itself will be practice that will stay continuously with you. So always be a student of seriousness. There should be seriousness within you, because you are here with a purpose. Don't ever forget your purpose of coming to the school. हम लोग चंद्र में जाते हैं प्रार्थना करने के लिए, दुआ करने के लिए. हम लोग विद्यालय में आए हैं सीखने के लिए. So always be aware of doing good and avoid evil. There is a moral law. The moral law teaches us that do good and avoid evil. And in the Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan Krishna gives the advice to Arjuna. Do the work without expecting any result. Nishkama karma. Even in the Taittiriya Upanishad, or Mundakya Upanishad, or Katha Upanishad, all these things are being taught that we need to be obedient to the teachers. So whenever the teachers are giving you advice, it's for your good. You are their children, and they consider you that. So always travel or always do something to achieve your goal. As I told you, before going to bed, सोने से पहले सोचना, आज का दिन मेरे अच्छाई के लिए मैं क्या किया, मेरे आगे बढ़ने के लिए मैं क्या किया. Always think about that and always be a good students. And those children, those who are absent yesterday, will be staying back here. Those children, those who are absent yesterday, will stay back here, and others can move back to the school. And I appreciate once again the children for conducting a beautiful assembly. God bless you all. Okay, I see some of the children are falling down. It's all quite common. So sleep well, eat well, be strong. Okay? So when you join in the IAS, IPS, so there will be a time when the weather is very hot, you have to stand for hours. So that time, if you fall down, they say, what kind of officer he is? What kind of officer she is? So always, whether it's a hot or cold or winter or rainy, our body has to be get accustomed to all the situations. That will make you always a courageous person to live a life that is worthy of your calling. So God bless you all. Have a beautiful day.